Hi and welcome to Yoga with Kathryn. Lately it's been a very stressful time for everybody with everything that's been going on. So I thought I've got 20 minutes, I'm going to record a yoga class for you guys to help with relaxation, to bring the stress levels down. If you're struggling in isolation or you're in quarantine, this would be ideal when you start to feel overwhelmed. So come and join me on the mat, get yourself ready and let's relax. So we're going to start standing up today. Feet hips width apart, palms out, roll the shoulders back. Open the heart space, lift the head. Inhale, exhale. Make sure you're standing nice and tall with your pelvis engaged. So if you're standing like this, pelvis forward. And inhale, slowly bringing your hands to kiss above your head. Exhale, release. Inhale. If you want to, you can close your eyes while we do this. And exhale. Nice, slow, controlled breathing and movements. Move yourself with purpose. One more. And exhale. Coming down to a seated position. You can have your legs crossed. I choose to have my legs crossed for this moment. So sitting, you can have your hands on your knees, on your thighs. Hold them in your lap. I choose to have my hands on my knees. And inhale. And exhale. Set an intention for this class. You're giving yourself a bit of time here to heal and focus your mind while you're slowly breathing in and out. Set your intention. My intention for today is to calm my mind, control my body, and just give myself this few moments for me. I'm not going to think about what I have to do, what still has to be done today. I'm just going to take a few moments to go into myself, give my body, my heart and my mind some time and some focus. So take your palms out, palms up on your mat, and again, inhale, bringing them up, kiss above, hold for a moment and exhale, bringing them down. And inhale, bringing them up, and exhale, bringing them down slowly. Now roll onto all fours. Going to do some cat-cow. This is excellent to release tension. You might find with stress and anxiety that you have some stomach complaints. This will also help with that. So drop your belly, lift your tailbone, lift your head, push up through the palms. Inhale. As you exhale, start from tailbone, roll up and through. And drop the tailbone and roll. Cow, tailbone. It's a Halloween cat. Now just inhale and exhale while you're doing this. In your own movement. You can choose to roll into each if that feels good. or you can just bend from one to the other. Just inhale, move, exhale. Focusing on strong movements. Focusing on your breathing. Take your left hand, thread it through underneath, come down, right hand out, threading the needle, bending down, tail up, head down, leaning into that stretch, making your arm long, reaching as far as you can, engaging those cores, and breathe. Slide your right hand up, lift, bring your left hand back, placing the left hand in a strong foundation, right arm up, thread the needle, coming down into a glorious stretch. A few breaths here. And coming up. Plant your feet firmly on the mat. Just come forward a bit so you can see me here. You're just going to lift the knees up off the mat, pushing into the tops of your feet. For a few moments, engage those arms pushing away. Lift the knees up off the mat and hold. Holding the belly in, pulling the belly in towards the spine, pushing up through the hands, pushing the earth away. And release. Take your knees out to the edge of the mat, keeping your hips above your knees, toes meeting in the middle. So you should look through your legs and be able to see your big toes touching. Now just sit back, making your seat bone long. Walk those hands out in front of you as you can to the mat, to your level of comfort. Remember, yoga should never hurt. You should feel good. Feel that delicious stretch in your hips, through your spine, through your legs, pushing the earth away. Just take a few breaths here. And walking your hands back up. Bringing the knees forward into hero pose. Sit on your heels, your feet together, knees together. If that's not comfortable, you can sit open a little bit. If you're struggling to sit down, put a cushion under your bum, you can still do it. Sitting down, hero pose. Palms on your thighs, near your knees. Lift the shoulders, heart space open, pushing the chest out, head up, and take some breaths here. Nice strong position. Palms either side, just turn around. Palms either side, arms up. Kissing and exhale. Keeping your spine strong, engaging the belly, palms out. And exhale. Onto all fours, curling the toes up, turning sideways so you can see, curling the toes up, keeping your chest on your thighs if you can, coming up into ragdoll. So just hang from your pelvis. Coming up to half tabletop, straightening the back, hands on the thighs, and cat-cow, rolling through the back. feel a gorgeous stretch through your back of your legs and through your spine. To your pelvis through to your delicious stretch. And kissing. Now, for the beginners, just want you to take your arms out either side of you. Point your toe, touching the mat, your right toe to the mat, left foot flat on all fours of your foundation. Take that through along your mat, behind you. Now what this does, this will focus your breath and improve your balance. For you to be able to try this next time when you feel ready. For more advanced, while we're doing this, you can lift your knee, take it through, point behind. Back through. Remembering to breathe, soften, and through. Back to center. Same with your left. Toe out in front. Finding all four of your foundation. Taking the leg behind. The more advanced, knee up, leg through. Maintaining the balance on that right leg. Focusing on the breath. What this does, distract your mind from your worries because you have to concentrate. And through, point, front, inhale, and bringing back to center. Facing the short end of your mat, arms out to the side. Place your hands to your, just a little bit wider than your hips. Right foot pointing to the side now, and come down, just to your comfort level. And inhale, exhale, back to center. Feet forward, inhale, and exhale. Left foot to the wall, pointing sideways, coming down, palms forward, facing forward. Only to your comfort. And back up, feet facing forward. Inhale, making sure your butt's not sticking out, pushing it forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now maintaining the hands out like this. Push your butt out a little bit. Sliding forward to your comfort. You may be able to only get here to start with. This is about relaxation. Don't push your body. Come to your level of comfort. And inhale. Exhale. One more. Exhale. And back up. Come together. Roll the shoulders. And inhale. Exhale. We're going to do tree pose before we finish. So on your left foot, find 4 points on your feet. For beginners, lift this foot up and point it on the inner of your other foot. Inhale, hands to heart. If you are more advanced, feel free to lift that leg up higher. Engage your glutes, stomach, worry if you lose balance. You don't need to look pretty. It's about learning to relax and control your mind. Right foot down. Find your 4 points. Hands by your side. Left foot, toe to mat. Turn the leg out. You can leave that out from your other foot if you need it for balance. If you want to challenge yourself, take that toe to the inner. The hands facing up. Inhale, kissing. Exhale, and hands to heart. If you want to, you can bring that leg up higher. Engaging the right leg. Enjoy the balance. Now legs to center and release. Hands forward, Tadasana. Mountain pose. Inhale and exhale. Come down to the mat. You can do butterfly, or you can cross your legs. Find a comfortable position where your seat bones are on the mat. And breathe. Inhale for 4, hold for 2, and release like you're puffing up a window. And in, straightening, hold, release. Ragdoll to the front. Sit up. Palms to the sky. And breathe. Congratulate yourself on giving yourself this last part of time to relax your mind, rejuvenate your body, and find some peace. You may want to lay down at this point and relax your body. You can stay on the mat as long as you need. Breathing, listening to the sound of your breath, relaxing your body. You're doing great. Good things are coming. Just hang in there. From my heart to yours. Namaste.